Can we file taxes after the deadline? If you're wondering that, in this video we are going to find out. So if you've missed the deadline of a tax, for example April tax, and you're wondering how can you pay it, the only method is if the deadline has not passed, TurboTax can help you file. TurboTax should help you file an extension and protect you from possible failure to file penalties. So the best way to avoid penalties and delays is you can apply for an automatic extension before the deadline. So if you missed the filing deadline, didn't file for an extension, and owe income taxes, you may face a late filing penalty of 5% of the unpaid tax per month plus interest. An extension gives you more time to file, but it does not give you more time to pay. So once you have, cross the deadline, you can request an extension if you can't file on time. Requesting an extension helps you avoid late filing penalties, but you still have to pay any taxes you owe on time to avoid late payment penalties. Once you have crossed the deadline, you will need to face consequences if you file your taxes late. So estimate what you owe and pay it by the deadline, and that is all of the solution for now. So if you don't owe any taxes and file late, even if you have crossed the IRS filing date, you will not be having any kind of penalty. So that's how we find out we cannot file taxes after the deadline, but there is a different alternative possible. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.